Hey guys, Brian with WorkshopAddict.com, and with Bosch's release of the new CORE18V 4.0 amp hour battery that's 1P, it had me thinking, what's this going to do compared to a 4.0 amp hour battery, the old series, the Fatpack, that had 2P, 2 layers of 18 volt cells. I'm a guy that always says bigger is better. If there's more cells, maybe that's going to be better. But reality is these are both 4 amp hour batteries, right? So they should run this vacuum at about the same runtime. So we should be able to get very similar runtimes out of it. But will we? That's kind of what's been going around in my head. Are you going to get a little more out of this one, a little more out of here because they're bigger cells? I wanted to find that out, and while I was doing it, I threw in the CORE18V 6.3 amp hour battery just to get an idea of runtime. So the Bosch 3-gallon vacuum is one of our favorites. It's used all the time. It's half full of stuff on the bottom. And I figured a tool to run these things through would be a vacuum. It's going to pull about the same amount of draw constantly across the board. It's not going to be like a drill where it's just sitting and spinning. It's going to give it a little bit more draw. And we have some baselines from testing on this before, so we know if we're in the same ballpark or not. Now, Bosch says you're going to get about 4 minutes per amp hour out of this, which is usually close, within 30, 40 seconds anyway. So we wanted to put this through. We started out with the Bosch CORE 4 amp hour battery and let it run. We ended up getting a time of 15 minutes, 16 seconds for this battery, fresh off the charger, to run. Now the next thing up was to let the vacuum rest a little bit because I wanted to have the same temperatures when I came back. So charged up the Bosch 4 amp hour battery, threw it in here, let her run, and we ended up getting 15 minutes and 25 seconds. So there's 9 seconds difference between these two batteries. That's negligible because obviously there's going to be some variation in voltage between each battery, and there's going to be variations between each battery pack. So that proved to me that this small battery pack is going to give you exactly the same runtime as this larger battery pack. I didn't have my money on that. I don't know why. Again, bigger is better in my head for some reason, and in this case, it's not. So if you're using these new, smaller, high amp hour batteries from any manufacturer, you're going to get the same amount of runtime out of this 2P. Now, what interests me a little bit more is what does running a 2P larger, the 6.3 amp hour battery, give me? How much time is it going to give me if I'm carrying this bad boy around? Now, with this vacuum, it gave us 21 minutes and 37 seconds. Which is a significant increase in runtime, which would be well worth having this battery in the vacuum. But is it well worth having this battery on your drill, or probably your grinder it would be, or your impact driver? Some of these smaller tools, is it well worth carrying around the extra weight of this battery? And I always like the new technology when it comes out. It gives us smaller, more powerful tools, and I think that's awesome, and I hope they keep this up. But in my head, I had to prove this to myself, and if I was proving it to myself, it was just as easy to put it on film and share it with you guys. I hope you enjoy this. If you have any comments about what I did in the bottom, or what you found, or what you see with different power advantages, let me know. I'd appreciate that. Always good talking to you. Have a great day.